All right, sir. Could you finish up there and step over here? You realise that that is illegal under Public Conduct Order Section 331.
What is problem?
You're breaking the law, sir.
Breaking law? No. In my country, it's not breaking the law being a toilet.
What is your name, sir?
Name? What? My name is... My name is Shuturist Agulgir Ignovich Stektiks.
Where are you from, sir?
I'm from Poland.
Where in Poland?
Minsk.
Yeah, Minsk is in Belarus, sir. Where are you from?
Right.